flour. Come on. Oops.
Oh,
You're hungry. Whoa, no.
oh, 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 oh.
Good morning. Welcome to our cooking show. Come on, open it. Open it. Good. Now put the cottage cheese. Come on, put. Come on. Good. We need one banana. Like Daddy will teach you how to peel. Look like this. See. Come on. Good. Good boy. Put away. Put away. No, not here. Come on, like this. Come on, peel. Come on, peel. Good job. Good job. Come on. Come on. Peel here. Robert. Hey, peel. Come on. Peel. Good job. Good job. Hey. One more to go. Come on. Pull. Good job. And one more here. Robert, one more. Okay, one more. Good job. Good job. Now we'll take off and put here. Come on, put here the banana. Put here the banana. Come on, put inside. Put inside. You're hungry. Come on, put here the banana, and now now smash. Come on, smash like this. Smash. Smash the banana. You're hungry. And your favorite part, add one egg. Come on, crack the egg. Come on. Like a pro. Come on. Knock. Open. Oops. Whoa. Yeah. Mix. Come on, mix with the spoon. Come on, mix. Good job. Mix it. Mix. Good. Come on. Your favorite part, add some flour. Come on. Flour. Come on. Add flour. We need flour, buddy. We need no. We need flour here. We need flour. Oh, and add a little bit of baking powder. Just a pinch. Yes. Robert, look. Wow. Let's make the cake. So wait. Robert, wait. Look what you need to do. Here's the water. We need water. Look, water. Just little bit. We should wet our hands like this. You see? Wet little bit of water. And then we make the shapes. And make the shapes. Whoa, no. Not good. We need to take a break. He's very hungry. Come on, make the shapes. Come on, take a little bit of cheese. Yes, and make the shape. Good boy. Good job. Yes. Very good job, Robert. Very good job. Come on. Take like this, like Daddy. Take like this and make the shape. Okay. No. This is already good shapes. Form here. Take a little bit of cheese. Take and make the shapes. Yeah, make it. Good boy. Good job. Whoa. Nice. I like it. I like the shape. I like the shapes. I like the shapes. But make like this. Robert, make like this. Like this. Look like Daddy.
Oh.
Nice. Not bad. Your shapes are better than mine. Yeah. Good boy. More? Okay, more. Good boy. Good job. Good. It's good. Good. Excellent. Your cookie is excellent. Now, let's put into the oven, okay? He eats only with spoon.
What?
Come on, mommy, help. Break.
Okay. Do you like it? Mm-hmm.
How about some yogurt? You like the yogurt, yes? And do like this. Look. Pack. And eat.
Yay.
Yeah. Do you like it? Mm-hmm.
You don't know. Papa, bravo.
No.